Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours, and if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes, and you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So go choose, depend on your trading style, and the timeline will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to hit a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we give in daily signals. Yes, I know it now, it's paid, but it's not expensive. It's only $10. Within one day, you're going to back that money. Are you done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, that the daily candle here, it's finished here. That green one here. And what that given us, it given us here a indecision candle. That man over here, buyers and sellers, both of them, they don't know where is the market is going to go. What that telling you is going to stay sideways a little bit like that. That's why also we enter a short, also we enter a long. The first, it hit the first target. Fair enough. Me personally, I make about 5% from it. Fair enough. Then now we enter a short. Tell me we're still stuck with it, and also that normal, because by the short we earning funding rate every 8 hours. We're earning the funding rate. That's very good, because what can we say? The futures, big whales using the futures in another way, not like retail traders. Big whales using futures, like they said me, I got spot, I buy Bitcoin for long term, then the Bitcoin it started falling. So those people, they hedging against the risk, or they buying 30% from their capital, or they short it, because that short they are going to earn by it interest rate, guys. So if the market go up, that's need a long video to explain all those things. I think picture is too clear here. So now here the Bitcoin is showing to us it's not going to go to nowhere, and also we tell it to you in Friday. Another thing here, let me show it to you. Is it those moving averages? I show it to you when we touch in here. I told you also we are going to go to touch down here. Till now there is a resistance here. Buyers, they don't want it to fall down more, and that's normal of them. They want the Bitcoin to stay above that level here, and that they're right. Also we are very close to touch that trend line, so make a close eye at the weekly close how it's going to be. Another thing, that candle here, is it the candle of Monday? So you need to be focused about that one. And what else we saying every time, guys? Everything is too clear here. Now let's go into see the coming news for today. So let's go in there. The coming news for today, guys, as you see it, that's the news we got. Today we got important news. Is it the retail sales of USA is going to come at 12:30. Also at that time we don't open any trade. Me at that time I don't be available. That's why you see indecision candle, because of that news which is coming here. So even that one you need to be focused about. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. And another thing here, our friend, the table of us, we're looking at it every day. Look at it, what it's telling us till now. We closing Monday candle green here for all US stocks, as you see it. So what that telling you, guys, we're going to see a red week. That possible, because till now everything is showing that, and the Fed not yet pivot, and also we just touched the 2021 high. So it's need the Fed to pivot for us to break that 2021 high. If it's not, there is nothing yet. The only thing here which is good is our friend here is the VIX. It's still very low. That's my 14.82. Currently it's still very low. That's very good news here. Another thing here is US dollar. US dollar or DXY today close a red day, or sideways day, let's make it like that, because today US dollar it fall down a little bit. All the whole day it go up, then it fall down, but when it close red. That's why you see it's staying in his place here. It give us like a pin bar and the DXY. So even that one you need to be focused about. That's why me I enter a short, and I'm still holding my short. Why not? I'm earning funding rate every day, 8 hours, so fair enough. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours is only for swing trading. You need to remember that. Here, look at that one here. At those moving averages, the Bitcoin price now is stuck between the two moving averages here. In the top, that blue one is 200 moving average, the simple one, and that two down here, the 50 and the 100. And as you see, the 50 is cross above the 100, but also we need to focus on is going to cross the 200 or no. And today we came up till here, we touching the 200, then it came that red candle or that big engulfing red candle. Then that 4 hours here try to push up, but there is no power, no one buying. So till now we still stuck here. People they been with me, they know that. Another thing here, let me show it to you. Look with me here what you got. I'm talking here about 4 hours. You got that trend line here. That one here we need to be focused about it. Also, when it's going to be touch here, we're going to take some profit. Then we move in the stop loss to break even because you don't know what's going to happen. And those days, look at it, Bitcoin is being sideways here. That's why me, I'm not yet try to buy for long term. And even for swing trading, me I just day trade it or scalp it. Let's make it like that. Another thing here, he tried to give you here like a megaphone here, but it's not clear. Even here, you can make something like that as you see it. That's for the long. But for the long and the short, me I'm focused about that 200 moving average and down the 100 moving average. It's need the Bitcoin first to break between that two levels. If it doesn't, we are going to stay sideways like that. And that's a part of the game, guys. So you need to be focused on those things, me I'm telling you. It's our indicator, and our indicator is going to clear the picture for you more. Let's go and see it. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, same thing what me I'm talking about. Look at it. Being here, he tried to break down, there is no power. He tried to break up, there is no power. So we are just in a sideways market. And market makers and those people, they like to manipulate the market. They like that situation. They like the market to stay like that because them they like that. But when there is big volatility, them they don't like it. So till now here for swing trading, there is nothing yet. Look at it. We are in the middle here. That means there is no one controlling at this time. No bulls, no bears. So we need to wait until the end of today. Then we're going to make a decision based on that because as you know that market makers move. I showed it to you before. Either up or either down. It needs to be like that or like that. When they pushing the price down, then today Tuesday they push it up, or they push it up and today Tuesday they will push it down. That's what I'm telling you. So we need to focus about that candle of today, what is going to tell us. I think picture is too clear here. Now we're going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing. Also we touch here overbought area. From here, also we enter for a swing trade. Until now we're still holding our short. Because as I told you, the short you always earning funding rate. Now shall we enter long? No, we still, me personally, I'm thinking we are going to fall down till down here, till that level here of 28,600 here down. If we haven't touched it, there is nothing yet. Until now, we don't got any price action here. Only thing you can make here, now something like that. I'm talking here just about 4 hours. I'm not talking about like that, like a small flag like that, as you see it. If it's getting broke here, you can enter long, but it's not yet. You need to wait in more till the right time. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, what else we said in yesterday video, you can find it even in the thumbnail of the video, because yesterday video used to be down here. We make it like that exactly. We used to have here a triangle or a down channel, or name it whatever you want. Names doesn't matter, guys, because it used to be like a down channel like that or a triangle. You can go back and watch it. I told you if it's breaking up, enter long. It's breaking here. Look at it. Here we enter long. Look till where? That when me I told you it hit for us the first take profit. The first take profit it was here at that level, because over here we got a weekly pivot, guys, and the 200 moving average in the 4 hours. That way me I put the first take profit here. Then I move my stop loss up. Market move down. It hit it. That's a part of the game. Now we enter a short down here. I'm going to tell you why us we enter that short, because we used to have here a uptrend like that, as you see it. That uptrend, that candle here, it's break it. Also we enter short. We put a stop loss. Till now the market it show us it touch it here. Maybe from here we're going to see it falling down, or maybe it will go up and hitting for us the stop loss. That's a part of the game. Now here, for those people they haven't entered, they can make something like that. and something like that. As you see it, you got here a up channel. You touch the top of it here, you touch down here and down here. Now either from that one is going to go up to touch the top here, or is going to fall down to touch the lower here, or another scenario, because over here the market he tried to give you here like a small head and shoulder here, as you see it, but it's not yet. It's need that one to fall down again, and you came down here and you waited if it's going to break down here and you enter short. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here, so here, me personally, I think also we are going to stay sideways between that two levels, that one and that one down here. Market is going to stay playing between them. Hell no, there is nothing new. We need to wait and more. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here, let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see, it's being here at the overbought area. Also we be looking here to enter a short, because also we used to be here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. It came, it's breaking here, that trend line here. Also we enter a short, that a part of the game. If it went up and hitting the stop lose, that a part of the game. Also sometimes we win, sometimes we lose. But me personally, I think it's going to fall down, because that one is staying here at the middle. So maybe it's going to go to touch the oversold area. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.